Hello, champions! Welcome back to part 2 of the Detective Way of Learning ABC. Thank you so much for watching part 1 of this exciting series. Now, grab your magnifying glass, put on your thinking cap, and let's start learning ABC detective style. This is letter P. P is for pot.
Pot.
P is for pencil.
Pencil.
P is for pizza.
Pizza.
Terrific teamwork. This is letter Q. Q is for queen.
Queen.
Q is for quill.
Quill.
Terrific teamwork. This is letter R. R is for rabbit.
Rabbit.
R is for rainbow.
Rainbow.
R is for robot.
Robot.
Perfect, detectives. This is a letter S. S is for sun.
Sun.
S is for sheep.
Sheep.
S is for socks.
Socks.
Perfect, detectives. This is letter T. T is for tiger.
Tiger.
T is for tooth.
Tooth.
T is for train.
Train.
Perfect, detectives. This is letter U. U is for umbrella.
Umbrella.
U is for unicorn.
Unicorn.
Quick and quiet, great job. This is letter V. V is for van.
Van.
V is for violin.
Violin.
V is for vegetables.
Vegetables.
Wow! Wonderful work! This is letter W. W is for watch.
Watch.
W is for watermelon.
Watermelon.
W is for whale.
Whale.
Quick and quiet, great job. This is letter X. X is for X-ray.
X-ray.
X is for xylophone.
Xylophone.
Wow! Wonderful work! This is letter Y. Y is for yatch.
Yatch.
Y is for yam.
Yam.
Y is for yo-yo.
Yo-yo.
Wow! Wonderful work! This is letter Z. Z is for zebra.
Zebra.
Z is for zip.
Zip.
Z is for zoo.
Zoo.
Zooming through. Champions, you did it! Another mystery solved, Alphabet Champions. Great job, detectives. We found the clues, cracked the letter code, and had a ton of fun along the way. Don't forget there's a new letter mystery waiting just around the corner. So grab your hats, your magnifying glasses, and your giggles. See you next time on the Alphabet Detective Series.
A, B, C, Detective D.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more on Start Learning ABC Kids Education channel.